So are you on your way to Marriott Shadow Ridge, or you're considering it for your next stay to Palm Desert and you want to see what a one-bedroom villa looks like? Well, stick around. We're going to take a look at ours right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy. Before you head inside here and take a look at this one-bedroom villa at Marriott's Shadow Ridge Enclaves in Palm Desert, I want to let you know on this channel I like to provide my knowledge, tips, and advice to help you get the most from your timeshare ownership. And hey, even if you don't happen to own timeshare, I also do villa tours, resort reviews, and resort tours as well. Fantastic resorts all over the world. So be sure to stick around, hit that subscribe button down below, and also click on that notification bell and you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. So let's head inside here. We're going to take a look at this one-bedroom villa at Marriott's Shadow Ridge Enclaves in Palm Desert. As we head into this one-bedroom villa here at Marriott's Shadow Ridge in the Enclaves phase, the first thing we're going to take a look at here, just behind a set of closet doors, is a small utility closet and also where you'll find your in-room laundry. High efficiency washer and dryer in here. Definitely a great thing to have on vacation. You're also going to find up here some laundry detergent and a laundry basket. And another thing I found kind of interesting to see in a timeshare unit, beside the washing machine, you did have a step stool. Not really sure what the purpose of this is, why this is in the unit, but if you need it, here it is. Continuing down the entry hallway just a little bit more, and we're going to come to the kitchen. Pretty small kitchen here, though it does have an island there with a fair bit of counter space. You do also have in here the microwave, an oven with a range, dishwasher, full-size refrigerator with an ice maker is provided here as well. And on the countertops, you're going to find a number of small appliances. You have a blender and a coffee maker, and I'm pretty sure tucked away in one of the cabinets is where you'll find the toaster. Talking about those cabinets, as we take a look inside, you're going to find a full set of glassware and dinnerware for 6 people. The drawers are also fully stocked, a number of kitchen utensils for cooking and baking, as well as silverware for 6. Now as we make our way towards the small living room area, you do have a console over here on the side. Not really sure what its purpose was. There was some storage in there, and I guess you could put some things up on top of that. No electrical outlets around here that I could find, so just kind of a little bit of maybe a storage area. Maybe put your keys, put your wallet, that kind of thing. Really wasn't good for using it to put maybe electronics on to charge. Now let's make our way into the living room here. You do have some interesting carpet here on the floor. But this living room does have a couple of rather interesting ottomans. Not really a coffee table, just some ottomans here. You do have a sofa that does pull out into a queen size sofa bed. A couple of chairs, some side tables, and you do have a pretty good size, large flat screen television hung up on the wall. And I actually thought this was kind of cool. Down below that television, they did have an HDMI port along with an electrical outlet right beside that. I thought it was kind of handy. Did work pretty well for us to plug in our Amazon Fire Stick. Now let's move into the bedroom. Kind of interesting. You don't really have your traditional bedroom door, your kind of door that opens and closes. It's kind of this barn style door here that separates the bedroom from the living room. So not a whole lot of privacy in this bedroom here. if you also have guests out in the living room. But for a couple, just 2 people staying in the villa, it's actually not too bad. But in the bedroom here, you do have a king-size bed, a couple of lamps, some nightstands, and as well, over here in the corner, I thought this was rather strange. Looks like an office chair in here, but you know, at least there's a chair. And of course, you do also have a chest of drawers with another large flat screen television. And also, located in the corner here is where you'll find a small closet with the in-room safe and some additional storage. Now let's make our way into the bathroom. You do have a double vanity here with 2 fairly good sized lighted mirrors. Definitely a nice bright bathroom. Granite countertops, bowl style sinks. Definitely a top-notch design here in the bathroom. One other thing I found kind of strange here, I couldn't figure out how to open and close the stopper in the sink. There was no lever or handle on the faucet to open or close the sink to stop the water from running out. But what I found instead was you really just have to push on the stopper. Kind of has a clicking mechanism there. When you push it down, it closes, and when you push it again, it will open up. In the bathroom here, you do also have a toilet, plenty of towels, and a really nice sized walk-in shower. Now that we've seen the inside of this 1-bedroom villa in the Enclaves section of Marriott's Shadow Ridge in Palm Desert, California, let's head outside. We're going to take a look at the patio. All right, so I've moved out here now onto the balcony, the patio, I guess you could call it, of our top floor villa here in Marriott's Shadow Ridge Enclaves, the 1-bedroom deluxe. Yeah, there is unfortunately no overhead cover here on the top floor balconies. We do have a really great view of the pool behind me here in our villa, but of course if you do have a lower floor, 1st or 2nd floor, you are going to have cover overhead. 2 nice chairs out here, actually pretty nice. A small table as well. There is actually, I just see it now, a plug-in out here on the balcony as well, if you can stand the heat, at least this time of the year. But otherwise, not too bad of a balcony. Kind of small, only 2 chairs with that small table. So if you're wanting to have other people here, I mean, this room will fit and sleep up to 4 people. But yeah, you'd maybe want to bring some chairs out from inside just to be able to have some additional people sit out here to take advantage of these balconies. But if you did like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It really does help out these videos, help sell YouTube great videos, push them out to tons more people looking to come to Palm Desert and Marriott's Shadow Ridge, and specifically maybe even the Enclaves section. And also, if you want to see more videos all about timeshare, check out the description box below. I have all kinds of them on this channel. And to see another video about Marriott's Shadow Ridge, check out this one right up here and YouTube. They're pretty sure you'll like that one down there. Be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And until next time, let's make your next destination a timeshare.